Hello there, and welcome to this video concerning secondary storage of section 2.1.2 of the computing hardware section of OCR computing. And what we're going to be looking at today is OCR wants you to explain the need for secondary storage, describe common storage technologies such as optical, magnetic and solid state, and select suitable storage devices and media for given application and justify choice, looking at, for example, things regarding capacity, speed, portability, durability and reliability. So secondary storage is additional storage for data and programs. It's used so when the data doesn't get deleted when a computer switched off, which straight away means we're looking at non-volatile memory. So for example, being able to store a backup, being able to store different documents, you need to make sure you get given that as an exam question, that you give a specific answer. Don't just write for backups for operating system. Be specific. Secondary storage consists of storage on a hard disk, removable media such as flash drives, CDs or DVDs. Here we have, we're going to be looking specifically at magnetic and optical devices here, so we can see some advantages and disadvantages of both of them. I've not included solid state purely because A, I've not got enough room, and B, I want to really talk through the differences between optical magnetic versus solid state. So magnetic, as you can see, it can store large amounts. It's very cheap, you can set things up, and it's got serial access, so data can be very slow. Solid state is the most expensive, and at the moment the size of hard drives coming out is nowhere near 1 terabytes. But however, looking at it from that way, that's a bit of a disadvantage, but it is ridiculously fast to load up data because everything is stored on circuits. Data is very hard to be corrupted on a solid state disk. If we look at the advantages of CDs, small and portable, cheap to produce, most PCs come with some sort of CD or DVD drive these days. Advantages, fragile, smaller capacity, slower access. Again, if we compare this to a solid state drive, solid state drives can be small and portable as well. You can get USB solid, or they can just plug in, and if you plug them into your PC, they take up a lot less room than a conventional hard disk drive. However, they are very expensive. And also solid state drives access data quicker than a magnetic tape or an optical drive. If we're looking at the disadvantages, they're fairly fragile, easy to snap. Because everything is stored on a solid state drive on circuits, it's resilient, it's tough. That's why if you think about devices such as iPhones, they have solid state drives in them, because phones can get easily dropped. Here is a very large table which has been put together from different pieces of information, so feel free to pause the video and have a look at it at your own time, but it just takes different pieces of information from different sort of device drives that is possible. Feel free to pause the video, take a screenshot, print it off, frame it, put it up against the wall in your bedroom, go crazy with it. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye bye.